The next alphabet group are there are four sounds. They look the same. They have different dots, and but they work exactly the same. So Jim, Che, Jim has one dot, Che has three dots, He, it doesn't have any dot, and He has one dot on top. Welcome to Farsi with Fred, and if you want to learn Persian alphabet and how to read it and how to write it and get comfortable with your pronunciation and in the process get some vocabulary, you should watch these videos. I'm gonna make a series of these videos only alphabet and explain how we write them at the beginning, how they come in the middle, and how they come in the end. Hope you guys enjoy, and let's get to it. These guys, each of them have four shapes. When they come at the beginning, when they come in the middle, when they come in the end and they are connected, and when they come in the end and they're not connected. This is how they come in the end and they're not connected. We write them in different shapes, so if you want to read handwriting, that can be challenging. I'm going to try to demonstrate as best as I can. J, for example, jaru, which means sweep, what we sweep the floor with. Jaru, when it comes at the beginning, it's like ja, ru, jaru, means sweep, jaru. This is how it comes at the beginning and it's connected. So this is a long vowel, re and vav, o, jaru. Same goes for che, chaman. So has three dots bottom, mim and ne. Chaman. Chaman. Next one, for he at the beginning, and when it's not when it's connected from the left side, hammam. This is me, by the way. This is one way of writing the me. Hammam. This is me too. This is me too. So hammam. There is small, very small vowel here, which is like a se, like this. What it does is makes you pronounce this letter a bit harder, almost twice. So instead of hammam, hammam, hammam. But we don't write that. So you guys need to get used to not seeing this but using it. Hammam. For khe, hammam is bath, by the way, and chaman is grass. For khe, Hamiyaze. Sorry, I dropped the ye here. Hamiyaze. Hamiyaze. Yawn. Hamiyaze. So what if J is in the end of the word, like Taj, which means crown. Taj. So we have Te, A, and J. Taj means crown. When it's connected, would be like Gyanj. This Gyanj. Gyanj, which means treasure. Gyanj. Arch. Arch, which means mushroom. It's not connected, right? If it's connected, it will be connected from this part. Heech. Heech. It means nothing.
It's for chair.
Yes. Ch. Hiç. Nothing. He. Be. Soap. 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 Which means morning. Soap.
Where is it? S or where is B?
This is a se. This is se. Another se, different than the one with 3 teeth. And this one is bear here in the middle, comes like this, bear, with one dot below. So, okay, tip. We write here sometimes like this instead of that. It's handwriting version. So if you see this somewhere, don't get confused. This is he. It can be, it can have 3 dots. It can be he. It can be j. Sometimes we write it like this. One easy word would be roh. Roh, which means face. When it's connected, be mich. Mich. Mich means nail. Thank you for watching, and please, if you got value out of this video, like and subscribe. It would help the channel a lot. See you guys in the next videos.